The 10th sutra of the Samadhipada of the Yoga Darshana is the description, analysis and exposition to understand what is Nidra Vritti. Nidra Vritti. Nidra as a Vritti. It is really surprising how Nidra can be a Vritti and which has to be stopped or eliminated. And that is how beautifully the sutra goes. The 10th sutra is Abhava Pratyayalambana Vrittir Nidra. Abhava Pratyayalambana Vrittir Nidra. Abhava Pratyaya Alambana Vrittihi Nidra. Abhava is absence, voidness, not having. Pratyaya is the experience of a particular object or experience for a particular moment. That is called pratyaya. Pratyaya is a special, unique word used in Yoga Sutras, which comes in other sutras also in the coming chapters. But based on the place and the context, the meaning changes. So, Abhava Pratyaya Alambana. Alambana is the support or supported by, taking support. That is Alambana. Vritti, as we have seen, it is a modification of the chitta and all the functions of the chitta. And Nidra is sleep. Here Nidra is taken as a dreamless sleep, as normally what we call as sound sleep. A sound and dreamless sleep. What is termed in generally understood as the Sushuptihi. In Patanjali uses here the word Nidra because it is a vritti, as a vritti. So the meaning of the sutra goes as Swami Vivekananda translates it beautifully. He says, sleep is a vritti which embraces the feeling of voidness. That is, the vritti based on an experience of total absence of any content, any vritti, and that is called as Nidra. And that is how the meaning, definition of Nidra is given and explained by Maharshi Patanjali. All of us, every day, we experience Nidra. We go to sleep. We experience sleep. When we experience sleep, when we say we have a good sleep, I have a sound sleep, refreshing sleep, these expressions will come after we wake up from the sleep. But during the sleep, we are not aware how we slept, how we are sleeping. What are we during sleep that we are not aware? But after we wake up, we express the experience and the quality of sleep. So, during the sleep, there is a faculty of the chitta which experiences, and that experience is exclaimed after coming out of the sleep. It's a very important dimension to understand in sleep. And what is that faculty? What is that experience? That is the pratyaya. That is termed as the pratyaya. And it is abhava, not having, absence. Abhava is not having, absence. Absence of what? Not having of what? Absence of Jagrat and Swapna avasthas. That two are not having. That is the abhava. But there is something that is pratyaya. And alambana is, it is supported by that experience, the vritti, that modification, that expression, supported by voidness. And that is how the beautiful sutra goes. That is abhava pratyaya alambana vrittir nidra. And that is the beautiful word which we should try to clearly understand. This abhava pratyaya. Abhava pratyaya is the experience of total absence. And nidra, sleep, is not a state, it is a vritti. Patanjali defines what are the states of the mind or chitta. There are the 5 bhumikas, the mudha and other things. It will come in the later sutras. So chitta is not absent in nidra. Chitta is not absent in nidra. Chitta is there. But change of vrittis will be there. And this change of vrittis, as we understood earlier, is the change of state of the chitta. Because there is a change of vrittis, and the chitta is undergoing a change because of the vrittis, it is a vritti. Nidra is a vritti. And it is pratyayasya abhava. Pratyayasya abhava. And abhava pratyaya. Experience of the voidness. And voidness is experienced. Nothing is there. We don't remember anything. And abhava alambana and alambana abhava it is. Means support on the abhava, nothingness, blank, but the blank is supported. Blank is supported and the support of the blankness, voidness. And that is the nidra, abhava pratyaya or pratyayasya abhava. And it is said beautifully. Swami Vivekananda refers the difference between sleep and samadhi. He says, a fool entering into sleep returns as a fool. But a fool goes into samadhi, but returns as a wise man. What is the difference there? If the nidra is chitta in tamasic state, chitta has 3 qualities. If the vritti is with the tamasic state, that is the nidra. And this word vritti is again repeated in this particular sutra, not in the earlier pramana viparyaya vikalpa, the word vritti is not used because it is very clear in that. Nidra is transitory state. The vritti is transitory, temporary state. We sleep and we wake up. And Nidra and Samadhi may look similar. But the difference is, in Nidra, the vritti are there. And we remember that we slept. And this important difference, that is the difference between Samadhi and Nidra. That non-existence, that is the abhava pratyaya, is the non-existence of wakeful state and not an absolute non-existence. We should be very clear. This abhava pratyaya is non-existence of wakeful state, and it is not the absolutely non-existence. It's not that. And the disturbed sleep, heaviness in the sleep, dullness in the sleep, that is because the tamasic nature of the Nidra and the Rajas combination. And if the tamasic quality of the Nidra combines with the Sattva, then you have a good sleep, freshness, a bright intelligence, mind is clear, you feel lighter. This experience is because of tamasic nature of the sleep combined with Sattva. The fact that we remembered sleep, the experience of sleep, itself is a proof that it is everything, and that memory, that remembrance is the smriti. Then what is a smriti? That we shall see in the next sutra. So Nidra, which we undergo every daily, regularly, is not necessary just for the physical rest. It is a psychological, at a mental level, at a chitta level. It is a modification of the chitta. That is one of the reasons, or in fact maybe the reasons, that the practice of yoga reduces the hours of sleep, maintaining the freshness, energy, reducing the physical fatigue, and enhancing the enthusiasm, dynamism, lightness. This is the contribution of the practice of yoga, because there is the chitta vritti is under control. And let us see that important dimension of what is memory, what is that faculty which we remember, which was responsible when we slept, we remembered it. That is the smriti, the next sutra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.